Today we are actually have organized the 17th Handloom Mela, and it's one of its kind in Telangana. Why? Because IKEA, as you know, it's an MNC company. They don't encourage the other fabrics to be sold in the store, and it's a great achievement on behalf of IT Telangana. I think it's towards the love towards the handloom weavers. They came and IKEA management came forward to give this opportunity to sell the handloom store. And today, if you see IKEA, around the footfall is around 6,000 people from Monday to Friday, and on weekend it is around 13,000 people. So the people e-exit, which exit was given to us is people have to go through the exit, and around 10,000 people will buy this material. That's the whole idea of promoting handloom. And we proudly say that TFMC and Govt of Telangana, other IT associations, who've been along with us also supporting this initiative. And every Monday, first Monday of every month, the handloom weavers will be selling the handloom clothes in IKEA store. So I request the public and the ITS companies and the employees to come forward to IKEA who are coming to IKEA. After shopping, you need to come to the exit point, buy and encourage the handloom and the handloom weavers of Telangana across India. It will be for one day, but in future we will be seeing the response from the crowd and the stall, and then we'll request the IKEA team to extend this to 3 or 4 days in future. But as on today, it's only one day from morning 11 o'clock to evening 8 o'clock is what the stalls will be there. By seeing the response, we will request the IKEA team to extend this for 2 more days in coming days. So we have ikat, we have pochampalli, we have all varieties of all varieties of clothes which are available, which is very famous, which is very dignitary. People are wearing these clothes, and we have shirts, we have trousers, we have saris, and we have different types of fabrics from handloom weavers. I think all people need to come try once in IKEA store. If they are visiting IKEA store, I request everyone to come and visit the handloom store and buy and encourage the weavers. IKEA sales. IKEA, I'm not from IKEA, so I'm not very sure.